Hi everybody, tonight we're going to have some pompano with some fresh cauliflower and broccoli. I'm warming up my pan right now. Got the pompano is right here. We'll get that started in just a moment. I have a little bit of water in my microwave steamer. I'm going to let me put that into the microwave. Build it in there is probably the better way to go. So put that in there. Broccoli and cauliflower. Fresh vegetables. Looks good. Cover this up. Get this started. This takes about, in my steamer in my microwave, takes roughly 5 minutes. It takes time for it to boil the water, cook the vegetables, and give them a minute or so to steam when it's off. So I have my frying pan ready. A little bit of olive oil, and as I learned how to cook this from Captain Clay, if you watch my Captain Clay's video, you too will learn the right way to cook fish. So tonight we're actually having pompano, and I have never had pompano until just recently. The funny thing is I used to live in Pompano for 15 years, never had pompano. When I first heard of it, I'm like, they named the fish after a town. Then I realized, probably the other way around. But that was my first encounter with pompano. These pompano could grow to be 4 feet, but usually they don't. So, let me grab my pompano over here. That's so easy to do with one hand. Pompano takes about 6 to 7 minutes to cook. It's a pretty quick cooking fish. And you could even eat the skin. So that's the butt. So we'll go ahead and we'll pop this into the pan. Boy, that stubborn paper. We got it now. Throw a little bit of lemon onto that. Just a little bit of seasoning. Salt and pepper is usually all you need, but my wife doesn't really take too good to pepper. It upsets her stomach, so I'm just going to use my normal rub. Go ahead, let that cook for about 3-4 minutes, then I'll flip it over and we'll season the other side and have the other side cook for about another 3-4 minutes, and then we shall have our pompano and fresh cauliflower and broccoli. So I'll show you a picture as the thumbnail as always when we're done. And nice, nutritious, good for the health of the conscious person, very high in protein. It's got about 25 grams of protein. It's got a little bit of the omega-3 fats. It has iron, a lot of B vitamins in it. Very, very healthy fish. So that's our dinner for tonight, and hopefully you're going to have a good dinner too. Good healthy choices. That's what we like on this channel. Any suggestions of what you would like me to show, please put them in the comments. Please like and subscribe. It really does help. And I'll see you next meal.